Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use glucosamine tablets. Glucosamine is a natural compound found in the healthy cartilage of our joints. It plays a crucial role in maintaining joint structure and flexibility. Many people take it as a supplement to support joint health, often combined with chondroitin. Understanding its purpose is the first step to using it effectively. When considering glucosamine, the typical daily dosage is 1,500 milligrams. It's commonly available in two main forms, glucosamine sulfate and glucosamine hydrochloride. Both are effective, but sulfate is often more studied. You can find these supplements as tablets, capsules, or even powders, offering flexibility in how you choose to take them. For optimal absorption and to minimize potential stomach upset, it's best to take your glucosamine with food. Many find it helpful to divide the daily dose into 2 or 3 servings throughout the day, rather than taking it all at once. Remember, consistency is key. Regular intake over several weeks is usually needed to notice benefits. While generally well tolerated, some individuals might experience mild side effects like nausea, heartburn, or diarrhea. It's crucial to consult your doctor before starting glucosamine, especially if you have allergies, particularly to shellfish, or existing medical conditions. Also, be aware it can interact with certain medications, so always discuss new supplements with your healthcare provider.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.